In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect keyboard to GarageBand. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to cover two common methods to connect the keyboard to GarageBand, depending on the type of keyboard that you have. So for the first method, you will be able to use the USB MIDI keyboard. This is going to be very convenient. All that you have to do is use a USB cable to connect your MIDI keyboard directly to your computer. So plug the USB cable into any of the available USB ports. As long as the keyboard gets detected, you will be able to launch GarageBand and go over to GarageBand, Preferences, and access the Audio/MIDI category. In there, under the MIDI Devices tab, you will be able to select your MIDI keyboard as the input device. And as you might expect, you will now be able to create a new software instrument track in GarageBand and select the MIDI channel. Ensure that the MIDI channel of your keyboard matches the MIDI channel of the software instrument track, and you can usually adjust this in your keyboard settings or in the GarageBand's track inspector. Alternatively, if your keyboard does not have a USB connection, you will need a MIDI interface. So connect the keyboard to the MIDI interface. Use a MIDI cable to connect the MIDI out port of your keyboard into the MIDI in port of the interface. By doing this, you can now connect the whole interface to your computer, usually through a USB cable. And after this is done, install any necessary drivers for your specific model of MIDI interface and configure it in your computer's audio settings. Now you just have to follow the same steps. As long as the MIDI interface gets properly detected by your computer, you can go over to the Preferences inside of GarageBand, access the Audio/MIDI category, and choose the corresponding input device in there. Once it is set up, you will be able to create a new track and make sure that the channel of your keyboard matches the channel of the new track that you created. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect keyboard to GarageBand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.